Okay, so here we are back at the range. We're gonna do our final seating test, hopefully, on these Berger bullets. We're gonna go from 690 to 699, and then I got some loaded long, and it's a little warmer today, so if I need be, I can seat some more. So I'm gonna fire some blow-offs, and then I'll get back to you, and we'll start on the testing. For those interested, this is what we're playing with today. Okay, I'm back. So I have shot the first 4. Just some blow-offs, some foulers. Probably not enough, but it's going to have to do. So now we're going to start the series. These will be at 1.690, and of course these are all 28 grains of varmint. So we're shooting target 2 now. And again, we're still at tuner setting number 7. Once we find our sweet spot here, we'll do another tuner test. Okay, that's it for 690. Reset the labrator. And now we'll be shooting 1.693 on target 3. Wow. That was not pretty at all, now was it? Okay, we're done with 693. Okay, so now we're going to be shooting 1.695, which was the one we were looking at last test, on target 4. Well, looks like it's still holding true. All right, so I'm going to take a rest now, cool the barrel down. Okay, we are back. We're going to be shooting 1.699. Seating depth, 28 grains of varmint, of course. And we're going to be shooting on target 5. Did I say 1.697? That's what I mean. 1.697 on target 5. Can you imagine where I would be if I didn't write this stuff down here? Oh. Target 5, Dean. Target 5. Yeah, it's down there. There you go. Get a little bit of a mirage here. It's not bad. Jeez. It's only about 64 degrees. Sun just started coming out, so it's not bad. Okay, so that's it for the 1.697. Let me start up another series here on the lab radar. Okay, that is armed. We're going to 1.699. I think on target 6, 1.699. But I think we already know what we know. And it's pretty much going to be a tuner test at 1.695, I'm betting. Okay, so that is it for 1.699. Okay, folks, it looks like, and pretty sure what I thought it was going to be, is where it's 1.695. I'm not going to get any better than a 0.29 inch group, 5 shots. I'm almost positive I'm not going to do any better than that. And the rest of them, 1.699, went back to 35. 1.697, again, had a straggler, number 20. But we'll go over this more once I get back to the bench. But that's where it's going to be. So I only have 20 long bullets now that I could seat the 1.695, but that's not really enough to do a thorough tuner test. So that will be another episode, the tuner test. So I'll see you back at the bench. Okay, so back at the bench. And you can all pretty much see what this is. Here's my blow-offs, 4 blow-offs. I don't know why this says 3 shots, but the last time I did the math, 1, 2, 3, 4 adds up to 4. You must have missed the first one for some reason. So, we started at 690, that went up 3,000s, then 2,000s, 2,000s, and 2,000s. And the results are pretty much what I thought they would be. This is not bad, 690. 693, for some reason, these should be more together. It was probably me. But back to 695, if it weren't for this 15, they're right where I thought they would be. I was pretty sure 695 was going to be the number. Then 697, back the vertical again in one, I'm not going to call a flyer. That's probably just me. And this 699 is not bad at all. I'm going to go with 695, all right? And then I'm going to start a tuner test. So stay tuned now. Let me get rid of this. Okay, to not throw you off too bad, this is your velocity chart. This is from that app I was telling you about, Chrono Plotter. Don't pay attention to these numbers down here, 28, 2801, 02, 03, 04. You have to put some kind of powder charge in there. And you can't put the same one, so I told to go up 0.01 grains each time. So don't pay attention to the black. What we want is the red down here. So these were my blow-offs. For some reason, this one's only showing 4, and this one's only showing 4, so unless 2 were the exact same speed, so here we're at 690, and our ES is pretty not good, okay? Then we go to 693. It gets a little worse. Now, let me tell you, I don't judge a whole lot on ES, SD, unless it's really bad. Then something is wrong. But I care where the bullet hits the target. Okay? That's what I care about most. So now back to our 1.695. It did have the best SD. You know, that's not bad for 5 shots. Okay, I'm going to live with that because that's the one I'm going with. And then we start opening up again there on 697. I'm going to load up for a tuner test now, as in the movie, the video, I said I didn't have enough bullets, which is true, I didn't, so I'm going to have to process some more and get another batch ready, and then I'll do a tuner test, and hopefully that is done, because I do not want to do a powder test, because powder test is usually, I want to say, barrel specific. Don't write that in stone, but in my practices, in my testing, it's pretty much the barrel. So I'm not switching barrel, I was just switching bullet type. Wasn't changing powder. So that's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for joining me here. And also stay tuned, there's a new thing coming up. I'm gonna start is a membership, because I can't afford to keep doing this. I really can't. I've got a year of my money and my time into this, and you know, I finally got monetized by YouTube, and it is not what I thought it is, and I cannot continue going on and putting myself in the hole anymore. And you'll see it's very, very, very affordable. I'm hoping all you guys I love throw me some love. Pay it forward. Alrighty, bye-bye. If you liked or learned something from this video, please hit the like button. And please also hit the subscribe button and the notifications to be notified of all my new videos. This QR code will take you to my website store where I sell the brackets, t-shirts, and basically anything else that I don't use anymore. You never know what's going to be there, so check often. There is also a wealth of information there. Thank you for watching.